We are with the new general manager here at the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. You guys survived opening weekend?
We did. Yeah, we did. We killed it. I mean, honestly, it was a great weekend. We had amazing people. I mean, the guests were awesome. Everyone was happy. Everyone's excited. I mean, we had people shouting out Maverick. They were like, we saw the channel. We were happy with that. We had to check it out. We had locals that watch it be built. They were so excited. They all got to try it out. And now we're open. We're going to be open hopefully 365 days a year. That's the plan.
That is awesome.
I mean, we're rolling. We're rocking and rolling. We're going.
So when I came here and did a pre-construction video, like a sneak peek behind the scenes, yet you guys were saying winter as well, and maybe a lighting package down the road for Halloween.
Oh yeah, we just ordered some lights, so we're gonna get lights throughout the track. We're gonna do night rides in July.
Wow.
We're gonna do a Halloween theme, so we're gonna dress up in costumes. We're gonna start scaring people.
Wow.
Obviously safely, and then we are going to do some Christmas theme too, and obviously we're gonna do something for the 4th of July. Yeah, I'm not sure what. We plan.
Statue of Liberty.
We might. Yeah, that'd be pretty nice.
So that's awesome. So the lights are already on their way.
Yeah, the lights are on the way. That's happening, and then we're gonna be open till 10. And stay tuned. We'll be posting on our social media and our Facebook and online hours. We'll be open till 10 eventually.
And what's your website again?
WisconsinDellsMountainCoaster.com.
Awesome. And I will have that linked into the description of this video, so if you ever want to check it out, just click on the link as well. And I know that you got your Facebook. Are you on Instagram too, if I recall?
I think we are, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we
That's
are.
right. So they're on the socials.
I think we got 20 followers, so we gotta
jack that up a little bit.
We gotta get that up.
Last time I saw your Facebook, though, you guys exploded on that. You're like over 5,000, I think,
boss
right
lady,
now.
she's been killing it with the social media.
Oh, good for her.
She is. Yeah, she's killing it. Now it's my turn. I got to take over.
You got to do it.
She's got to go back, so that's my turn.
So when you say she's got to go back, where's she going?
She's going back to Montana.
And you guys own a business out there?
Yeah, they actually own 3. They own one in Branson, Missouri, one in Montana, and then this one.
Tell me about our brand new one here. So how long is the track and all of that?
All right, the track is 4,000 feet.
Wow.
And we got about I think it's a 2,000 up, 2,000 down, and that up track is about a 4-minute ride up, and then you got your ride down, which can take about a minute and a half if you go as fast as possible. If you want to go slow, which some people do, it's their own pace. So yeah, you can go as slow as you want. If you go as slow as possible, it can take about 8 minutes, 9 minutes.
Top speed?
Top speed's 27 miles an hour.
27. And that is pretty fast when you're close to the ground.
That's pretty fast, and honestly, you're close to the ground. The highest you get off the ground is about 15, 20 feet, and that's only in 2 spots. Other than that, you're from a half a foot off the ground to, 15. It's
15. How many times have you done it so far?
4.
Oh, that's it?
I rode today too.
Okay, yeah.
We had testers, and I was doing a lot of behind the scenes tiring and everything. So.
Sure. Do you guys do any military discounts or anything like that?
Yeah, so we do local discount for the surrounding areas, Sauk, Columbia, Dane, and Adams.
Greater Dells area.
But yes, we do a military discount. And for anyone that wants to come, we thank you for your service that does stop by. Single rides are $18. Our child tickets are $13, but our best deal is the 3-pack. I mean, you ride once, you don't really know what you're doing, you want to ride again. I'm telling you, the 3-pack is the best deal you're going to get. It is buy 2, you get the 3rd one for about $1 or $2, and it's the best deal you're going to get.
So it's almost buy 2, get 1 free, almost.
Basically.
You can't beat that.
You can't beat that. You get 3 rides for the price of 1, and it's good for the whole year. We're doing the Coaster, we'll call it, as the Branson calls it. We're doing Halloween, so obviously Halloween, Christmas, you want to check it out. We have night rides coming too. You want that 3-pack.
So if you're coming up this summer, they'll be open till 10 in July.
In July.
With the light package. And then if you're coming back around Halloween or something.
Yeah, Halloween, you can bring that 3-pack and use it again for another ride.
That's awesome. Do you know, will you guys have like gift cards down the road if anybody wants to do that for the holidays and stuff? Yeah. That'd make a great Christmas gift.
That's in the works now. Yeah, we're working on that now. We just got to get the logo printed on the cards, and we'll have those going. Yeah, absolutely.
Well, this is Nick. He is ready, and with the rest of his team, to meet you and greet you, and they are here.
You got to come check it out. Come check out the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. We're here. We're excited to meet you guys.
And what's the best way to get here?
Best way to get here, obviously, you got to drive. Obviously, you're in the Dells. Not everything's right next to each other, so you got to drive. Come down County Road A. You can't miss this. We got some giant now open signs. Yeah. We are coming. Our sign is coming. We here in 4 weeks. We will have a giant sign and a billboard. It will say everything. Our pricing, hours.
Awesome.
It's coming soon. We're excited.
the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. There's finally one here in the Dells.
We needed this.
You got to do it.
We needed this, Dells. We needed this.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And I'm so excited because they have been kind enough to give me a ton of tickets that I'm passing on to you. 4 of them right now are a part of the Wisconsin Dells Getaway Giveaway. As we give away a trip to Wisconsin Dells, it will include a family 4-pack of tickets for this. And then I'll sprinkle some other tickets throughout the summer that I have for you too. So, but in the meantime, well, I think for those that have never seen a mountain coaster, maybe we should mount some cameras on the cart and
checking them out.
Go for a ride.
I'll show you how it's done. Now come check us out at Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster.
Here we go. This is my first time doing this one. So they have one in Branson, as Nick had mentioned, the company that owns this one. And they also have one in Montana, which is pretty awesome. That one's got to be beautiful. With the mountains out there, it's God's country. I have done one in Branson, actually. It might have been the one that's owned by this company. It's many years ago. And I also did one in the Smoky Mountains, I believe. And I did one in South Dakota. I've done one in Galena, Illinois, which is a little different than this. That was more of an alpine coaster. This is a what they call a mountain coaster, a little bit different. But anyway, so if you saw the video of the sneak peek when they were doing the construction that I posted a couple of weeks ago, the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster is officially open, and I am looking forward to this. We have needed this awesome attraction here for a long time, so I'm glad a company came out here, and actually a company that's as experienced as this company came out here and put one up. This company, actually, they design the tracks and they sell them to other businesses as well. So it's great to have the company that designs the coasters and the tracks and everything actually just build their own business. So I think they know what they're doing. So this should be fun. As Nick had mentioned, it's like about 2,000 feet of track just to go up for the lift hill, and then about 2,000 down. So it's a pretty lengthy mountain coaster, considering we don't have mountains here in Wisconsin. All right, we are slowly approaching the end of the lift here. And they do have somebody in there making sure you're in good shape in that little booth. He's actually outside the booth at the moment, but making sure we're ready to go. How's it going? Good. Push him down? Sounds good, thank you. And here we go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's got a nice breeze. This is really, really smooth. Here we go. I've got it going all the way. Oh, oh, yeah, we're flying, baby. Probably doing, we gotta be close to that 27 that they talked about. And I'll tell you, that's really, really fast. On a mountain coaster, 27 miles an hour. And if I want to slow down, I just pull up on the handlebars here, which creates a brake. Woohoo! Oh. Oh my goodness. Guys, see my camera up there is holding on, getting bounced around. So if you're watching on the POV on that at the moment, sorry about that. Coming around. Oh, woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. Woohoo! Coming down. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Pretty wild. Boy, when you come around that last bend there and you see nothing but parking lot.
Just a little bit more.
All right, keep the handlebars down and we'll keep going.
And go ahead and release. And you're set to buckle. Yep.
Sweet. That was pretty good. Yeah, let me get the full customer experience here. Okay, so then when you're done, we will come through the gift shop. Hello. That was awesome. You want to say hello to YouTube? You want to say hello to YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
What's your name?
Zola.
Zola.
Yes.
That's an awesome name.
Thank you so much.
How's the first weekend going?
Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
That was a blast.
I'm happy you enjoyed.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Take care. Okay, I got to tell you, I knew this was going to be a fun ride, but I didn't think it was going to be as awesome as it was. This was a blast. You don't need the huge mountains like they've got at some of the other resort areas that have these mountain coasters, because they did a fantastic job with the elevation that they have, building the supports up and down, the curves, the banking. It was awesome. And that speed of about 27 miles an hour, you are flying when you're that close to the ground. They did a great job here. All right, what's your absolute favorite YouTube channel here?
Maverick Cave.
There you go.
You gotta check them out.
That was a blast.
Awesome. Glad you had fun, man.
2 thumbs up. I had a great time. Thanks so much for having me out here
Absolutely,
again.
man. Come check us
Great
out.
time.
Yeah. Come back anytime too.
When you come out here, it's simple to find. It's on Highway A. Just go to the upside down White House, turn at the lights,
Take a
maybe
look.
about a mile down or so. It'll be on the right side.
Yes.
Soon to be open at
We will
night.
have a sign soon. I promise. I promise.
And if you have the sign already, by the time you come out, then
Yeah.
take a picture and post it on our Facebook page.
Absolutely. And if you, honestly, first 5 people that shout out Maverick, we'll give you free tickets.
Now that is awesome.
First 5 people, you gotta say Maverick. Code
Just
Maverick.
come over here. Code Maverick.
Code Maverick.
Get out here.
Let's go.
Say my name.
Yep.
Go for free. It's the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. They're open. They're waiting for you. It is a blast. You got to get up here to Wisconsin Dells. Even if you're just driving through, maybe to do some camping, maybe north of the Dells, if you're not coming to the Dells for a weekend or something, stop in the Dells. Do the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster. You'll thank me later, trust me. It is a blast. And if you have never been on one of these, you can basically control the speed. You don't have to do that full 27 miles an hour if you want. You can control the braking, and these carts can't hit each other because they're computerized and they talk to each other, where there's like a sensor and it's always telling the computer, okay, these carts are getting close together, slow them down. So it's safe for everybody, and your kids, they'll love it. If you got little ones, they could ride with you as well. And remember, the next 5 people after this video is posted that mention my name, and they're gonna hook you up with a free ride. Promo code Maverick. I love it. It's the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster here in County A in Wisconsin Dells. Easy to find, just Google it, you'll be able to find it. And you're gonna see me here probably a lot this summer. If you see me here, say hello. Also, they are a part of the Wisconsin Dells Getaway Giveaway, where I am giving a trip to Wisconsin Dells absolutely free. It includes 2 nights at any Natura destination resort of your choice, and a family 4-pack of tickets for a bunch of attractions. Look at all these awesome businesses that are a part of this getaway. Oh yeah, and to these guys, of course they're a part of it. So if you want to win, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. If you haven't yet, you got to be subscribed. That's the only way you'll be eligible. That's step 1. Step number 2, follow me on my Facebook page or my Instagram page. Hey, follow me on both. Why not, right? And anytime I post information about the Wisconsin Dells Getaway Giveaway, which is about twice a week on average, all you have to do is share it on your timeline. Just forward it on your timeline and tag me in it. That's very important that you tag me in it. And then step number 3, well, watch the videos. Give them a thumbs up, because coming up June 21st of 2025, I will be announcing a winner. It could be you. And come to the Wisconsin Dells Mountain Coaster, because I guarantee you'll give that 2 thumbs up. That's all I got right now. You'll see me on the next one here in Wisconsin Dells. There's 30 of these?
Yeah.
Wow. And they just kind of hang around then, huh?
Yep.
And then you do all of the, I mean, I know it's all brand new, but as time goes on, when you have to replace wheels or everything, it's just all done in here?
This guy here.
Yeah.
One of the couple.
I gotcha. Wow, this is something else. So these are basically ready to go right now then, huh?
Yep.
So if you're really crowded or something.
Yep. They're ready to go if we need a full couple.
I have never seen so many carts for a mountain coaster in my entire life. It's kind of a neat behind the scenes.
Hey.
So is this like a proximity switch sort of thing? Kind of tells the computer which cart is?
Yep.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so you're gonna take one off then, huh?
Yep.
Nice.
Down. Motion like. And just roll back in the barn.
And it's as easy as that, huh?
Yep.
And away she goes. Well, at 200 pounds a cart, that makes it nice and easy.
Subscribe to Maverick. Hey.